Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? Imagine freshly fried, hot and crispy potatoes smothered in a rich, tangy gravy and topped with gooey, melting cheese curds. That's poutine for you, a Canadian delicacy that's as comforting as it is delicious. Start by peeling and slicing 2 pounds of russet potatoes into thick strips. Heat up your oil to 300 degrees and fry the potatoes in batches, ensuring they stay soft but don't color. After draining on paper towels, crank up the heat to 375 degrees and give those fries a second, crispier life. Now it's time for the gravy. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan, then add an equal amount of all-purpose flour. Stir this concoction until it turns a light brown color, which should take around 5 minutes. Now, gradually whisk in 2 cups of beef stock and 1 cup of chicken stock. This will give your gravy a rich and meaty flavor that is simply divine. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, and a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Bring this to a simmer and let it cook until the gravy thickens, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Now it's time to assemble the poutine. Spread your golden crispy fries in a large dish and scatter a generous cup of fresh cheese curds over them. Then pour your hot, flavorful gravy over the fries and curds, allowing the heat to gently melt the cheese. A plate of poutine that's a symphony of textures and flavors, ready to be devoured while still piping hot. Remember, poutine is a dish that loves to be experimented with. Try adding smoked meats, pulled pork, or even a vegetarian gravy. The possibilities are as endless as they are delicious. So the next time you're craving comfort food, why not whip up some Canadian poutine? And for more mouth-watering recipes, subscribe to Magnolia Moon. Stay hungry, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy every bite.